wrapped.
For real.
Well, it's from everybody.
I don't have enough to record it all. Just saying.
Oh.
Do you want to
Look at the nice box. Look at the
Brand
box.
new box.
That box is expensive.
That's your present, actually.
It is. That's it. Jerry, look at that. You need some scissors or you good? It's a really nice box, isn't it?
It is a nice box.
What does the box cost?
Like $10.
Pull the tab big.
What is it?
I need one of these. Oh, it's a toilet seat.
See?
Clark, that's a gift that keeps on giving the whole year long.
It's not even the right color, is it?
Just hold it up.
No problem.
Thanks, Jerry.
Times are really tough over there.